Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis, and do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD Canadian dollar, US dollar Canadian dollar in front of us right now. As we all know, USD Canadian dollar was in beautiful uptrend. The chart was extremely bullish, beautiful simple chart taking support at the trend line. Okay, and things have changed. As we all know, things have changed. Market saw some heavy selling pressure after the Fed's meeting, when Feds declared that there will be inflation for in the market for short term, and COVID-19 will be a part of our day-to-day life because new variants are coming up on daily basis. And as inflation devalues currency, so US dollar started falling. This is the chart of US dollar. You can see that US dollar was also bullish, going up, but right now it is under the dominance of sellers. The whole setup of the US dollar has changed, and right now US dollar is going down. And the same thing has also happened with the chart of USD CAD, because these two charts are extremely correlated. As we all know, if US dollar is going up, then USD CAD is also going up. If dollar is going down, USD CAD is also going down. And right now dollar is in downtrend. Dollar is under the influence of sellers. Dollar is in the is under the dominance of sellers. Therefore USD CAD is also seeing selling pressure. So if you look at the chart here, the chart may seem beautiful and the chart may seem to be in uptrend, but my dear friend, we should not consider this portion of the chart here, because this portion of the chart is not valid right now. We should only focus on this particular portion here, and if we just focus on this particular portion of the chart here, then you can clearly see that this market is in downtrend. There is no doubt. And as we all know, following the trend is the most important thing, because this is also the thumb rule or the basic rule of the market. So following the trend means if a market is in uptrend, you should look for buying opportunities, and if a market is in downtrend, you should mainly look for selling opportunities. And this market is in downtrend, there is no doubt about it. You have also seen the chart of DXY US dollar and this, so everything is in downtrend right now, so we should mainly look for shorting opportunities. If you look at the Forex Sentiment meter here, you will find the Forex Sentiment meter on my website avilashhajarika.com under Forex 101 section. If you look at the Forex Sentiment meter here, then you can see that 26%, only 26% traders have taken short position, and 73% retail traders are still thinking that market will be going up because they have taken long position. My dear friend, as we all know, 90% retail traders lose money. The main reason why retail traders lose money is that they always stand against the trend of the market. If a market is falling, they assume that market has reached the bottom and it will go up. If a market is going up, they think that market has reached the top and market will fall, and they short the market. As a result, they end up standing against the trend of the market. We all know it very well that we should follow the trend, but still we end up losing money because we fail to follow the trend of the market. So 73% traders are thinking that 73% traders have taken long position. But this chart is clearly telling us that this market is under the dominance of sellers. So my dear friends, do not make the same mistake. Do not repeat the same mistake, and just follow the trend and do your proper analysis. Take your decision wisely. So we should only look for selling opportunities only. Clear? So the next important point is area of value. Area of value means the best trading opportunity. In an uptrend market, the best trading opportunity or buying opportunity is always near the support, whereas in a downtrend market, the best trading opportunity or shorting opportunity is always near the resistance. So our duty is to find the area of value in this market, and you can see that I have already drawn a trend line here. So our area of value or the best shorting opportunity is this trend line, because you can see that here after two touches it is clear to us that market is following this trend line as a dynamic resistance for the market. Therefore this is not the ideal position to short term market. Okay. What your duty is to wait for the market to go up and hit this particular resistance level. Let the market open on Monday and just observe the price. So if market goes up from here, then still do not make the mistake of buying like the other traders. Wait for the perfect opportunity and wait for the market to hit this resistance level. Once market hit this resistance level, then just observe the price. If you see price being rejected from above like this, or if market forms a shooting star pattern like this, then you will get the confirmation that yes, this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. Sellers are sitting in the market and they are not allowing the market to go up, and you can short the market at the trend line because this trend line is a valid resistance for the market. Apart from this level, okay, we also have another resistance here, 1.2610. This resistance level belongs to the weekly chart. If you have watched my earlier videos, then you know it pretty well, because see, this is the weekly chart, and as we all know, weekly chart belongs to the institutional traders, the big traders, the big players. So you can see that market is unable to cross this level 1.2610. Previous week when market tried to go up, cross the level, market faced severe selling pressure, market failed. Therefore 1.2610 is a valid resistance. But right now the current market price is far away from this level, so for the Monday we do not need this level. So our duty is to just observe the market. In case market goes up from here, you can short the market at this resistance. Okay. This level comes later. Okay. On the other hand, if you see market being pressurized by sellers, or if you see selling pressure on Monday, then you can short the market below this level. Okay, just draw a line below these candles. Okay, just draw a line below these candles. If you see on Monday that there is severe selling pressure on USDCAD chart, if you see dollar also going down, yes, you should also consult the chart of DXY. If you see selling pressure on the market, sellers being dominated the market, then you can short the market below this level also. So these are the two shorting opportunities or trading opportunities in the chart of USDCAD. I'm not giving you any buy call because this market is under the influence of sellers, so only two calls that are on the sales side. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday again.